Hey guys, what's up? It's your boys, and we're back with another video. For today's video, yes, I started it inside. I was just watching Jacksepticeye, and then all of a sudden, I hear the helicopter talking like a bunch of bullshit. Hold on, let me go over here in the shade. And hopefully you guys can hear it. You guys can hear that, right? Okay, you guys can't probably hear it, so let me shut my loudest up and so you guys can hear it. Wait, they're looking for a white suspect with a white shirt and blue. Wait, no. A white suspect with a white t-shirt and blue shorts and holding a bag. Okay, I'm here at Jacksepticeye's Funniest Home Videos. Okay, if any of you guys see that person, call 911, or if you live around here. Oh fuck! Oh. I don't want to get copyright claimed. I do not want to get claimed. Okay, here we go. So I'm not gonna get copyright claimed for just that, but if I do get claimed, the video will get blocked and it won't go out to everyone. So I'll just do it and get claimed anyways, but I don't fucking care. But still, I am going to probably be a family-friendly YouTuber on my other channels, or I might not be a family-friendly YouTuber on my other channels. I'm not sure. I made another channel called, you guys already know, Xander Gaming, which is my other channel that I have made. I don't know what I'm recording. I think I'm recording it on Xander Hill right now. So if you guys want to go see my other channel, which is Xander Vux, it's Zander space VUX. Yes, just like Vux. I would put it in Vux. Just like put VUX, and then in the other slot put VUX, and then boom, it changes into Vux. But still, I don't even give one single shit. But still, if you guys want me to do a reacting video, I will text Jacksepticeye and see if he wants, and see if he will let me react to his videos on my channel. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!